Hello, Rake. Pepper needs some cucumbers for her...
Missed by a league! You are going down, Short Life. Down, dung and dusted. Ha! Not even close!
What are they throwing?
Dragon business.
Dragon biz? You mean dung? Those two are throwing dragon dung?
Dung bombs. Good for the garden, anyway.
Jane, great! Dung wars. Guess who's winning? Big clue. Green and impossibly handsome. Come on, join in. Grab a handful.
Let me think. No.
You've got to hear this. Great joke Gunther told me.
From Gunther?
There is this knight
Do I have to?
who is battling a huge army
I do.
to rescue a damsel in distress. Finally, he reaches her and says, "Eureka!" And she says, "You smell pretty bad yourself."
Very good. Now, perhaps we can go on patrol? Stopping by at the moat to wash your hands.
Yes, Dragon. Eureka! And I Rika too. We both Rika!
No, I Raker. You Gunther.
Father, must all these go to the wharf today? I have duties to attend to at the castle.
The only duty you need to concern yourself with is with that barrel.
But, Father, my training is...
Training? What do you think pays for your night's training, hmm? This does. Now, put your back into it.
Hey, Gunther, what is brown and dusty and sounds like a bell?
Oh, and what is that wretched stink?
What? Oh, that.
Ugh, is that?
Dragon dung, yes. Very good for the garden. Just ask Rake.
That is disgusting. That horrible creature is allowed to roam free around the castle and do that right outside my window? What kind of sick place is this?
Much like that, it does sound, a little odd.
I was going to the privy and...
Privy?
Yes, the privy. The privy chamber. The private chamber, Dragon. Not everyone is happy squatting on a public wall to do their business.
Oh, that, yes. Well, the Dragon Way. Loud and proud. Oh, my aching scaly belly. Oh.
Dragon, what happened?
I was trying to improve your eyesight, so I ate several dozen carrot pastries, carrot muffins, carrot bread, and after that, a few dozen more. Oh.
And that will help me how exactly?
It is science, Jane.
Well, sorry about your stomach, but I have come to take you up on your offer.
Offer?
To fly over the maze tonight and light my way.
Jane, how do I put this delicately? If I attempt to fly tonight, fire will come out at both ends.
Dragon! Can you hear them? Can you hear the wolves?
Oh, wolves. I thought it was my stomach howling in pain. Oh.
No, there are wolves close by the castle, and the princess is missing and the knights are out searching for her.
What? Is Jane with them?
Yes, out in the maze.
Wolves. Vicious beasts. Well, they shall not harm Jane. Not while this dragon lives. If you could call this living. All right, Short Life, just follow the flame.
Thank you, Dragon.
My pleasure. Oh, dear.
Oh!
Oops. Carrot does that. Sorry.
Rake should taste the freedom we have. The wide open spaces.
No.
All right, Dragon. Who provides you with as many vegetables as you can eat?
I know what you are trying to do.
Well?
Rake.
And who puts your dung to good use so no one is offended by it?
Yeah, all right, I will take him.
The trees are so fragrant. I can smell pine resin, moss, and something. Is it minty? Yes, mint. And a hint of...
Dragon!
Oh, short life. No sense of humour. How can he be happy stuck in a log?
Quiet! Don't spoil the moment.
Me?
Oh, dragon!
Now that spoils the moment.
That is not funny.
A bit funny.
Dragon!
Oh, no! Put him down!
It's quite enough. Made your point. Dragon, please
Stop
put
that!
him down. Dragon,
Let him
Dragon,
go!
Dragon.
No, please! No!
Dragon, not in the compost!
In the what? Whoopsie!